Alright, imagine the laptop as a slick, modular crate that opens up in layers. I lift the lid, and everything floats apart in an exploded view so you can see how the pieces talk to each other. Front and center, the CPU. This is the brain. It takes instructions, does the math, and tells every other part what to do. When you click launch on an app, the CPU spins up, pulls data, and gets work done. Right next to it, the GPU. If you game edit video or run 3D anything, the GPU carries the heavy graphics load. It renders frames, accelerates creative apps, and frees the CPU from visual chores. Now the RAM, think short-term memory. The CPU grabs data from RAM because it's fast. Apps you've got open browser tabs, previews, those live here. Watch the data flow. SSD, RAM, CPU, then out to the screen. Storage next, SSD or HDD. This is long-term memory. Your files, the OS, your games. SSDs are way faster. Quick boots, instant loads. HDDs offer more capacity for less money but are slower. Underneath it all, the motherboard, the highway system. It connects the CPU, GPU, RAM storage ports, routing power and data so it all works as one. Power comes from the battery. Your portable fuel tank. Higher watt hours, longer life, if the system's efficient and the load is light. See the power route. Battery, motherboard, CPU, GPU, screen regulators that smooth it all out. To keep it cool, the thermal system kicks in. Fans, heat pipes, thermal paste, heat sinks. Heat leaves the CPU, GPU, moves through copper pipes into fin stacks. The fans push air out the vents. Good airflow keeps performance steady and quiet. Boot up brains? That's BIOS, or UEFI. It's the first code that runs, checks your hardware, and hands control to the operating system. Tweak boot order, enable virtualization. On top, the screen and keyboard, the way you interact. The display panel defines color, brightness, and refresh rate. The keyboard and trackpad turn inputs into actions. Fast. Around the sides, ports and expansion. USB for accessories, HDMI DisplayPort for monitors, audio jacks, SD slots, Thunderbolt for high-speed docks and drives. Now, pull back and watch the crate reassemble. CPU slides into the cooling frame, GPU slides into the cooling frame, RAM clicks into slots, SSD locks in battery settles, cables align, motherboard assembled. Power flows. Fans spin data, flies from storage to RAM to CPU to screen, and the laptop wakes up. That's the anatomy of performance. Know the parts, and you'll know exactly what to upgrade, what to buy, and why your laptop feels fast. Or not. Simple. Clean. Connected.